Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to discuss about, what exactly is a save point. Save point creates a checkpoint inside a transaction. You can roll back only up to that particular specific save point, not the entire transaction. Let's say, for example, you're doing so many transactions, so many changes like inserting, deleting, updating. So now let's say, what if in case you want to roll back from only specific point? So what do you have to do now? First, you have to start with a begin. Then you insert something. Okay, inserting, let's say for example, that should be permanent, and now whatever changes you do should be like a temporary. So what you can do, you can just start with a save point, and just give some name, then do changes. So when you do changes, so if you feel that you don't want to include the changes after you did after a save point, you can just roll it back. So what happens? The first insert will be like permanent, and second insert will be like a temporary. So you can roll it back, and then finally you can commit it. We are getting. So you will understand it better with an example. Let me explain with an example in a PostgreSQL. So I'm just picking a same data set which is related to our students that we took previously. So now I'm going to discuss about a same point, right? Okay, simple. First, let me show you what is available in a table. So I have a select asterisk from a students. Very simple, okay? So this is my table. Great. So I'm starting with begin statement. I'm beginning the transaction. Okay, great. So now I'm going to delete a record related to her or her. Okay, I'll just say delete from students that name equals Rahul. Great. I'm deleting. Okay. So if I run the students, obviously you will not see record related to Rahul. Then I'm going to use a save point. Save point, I'm just calling it like a SP1. That's the name of your save point. Okay, I feel Rahul should be deleted permanently, but from now onwards, whatever I delete should be temporary. So I just called a save point. Now what I'll do, I'm going to delete a record related to Amit as well. Okay, so I'm just going to run this. If I run and if I show you the select asterisk from student, both the records got deleted. So now tell me which one I can roll it back. So I don't want to roll back this. This should be the permanent deletion. Only I want to roll back whatever I deleted related to Rahul. I'll just say roll back SP1. I'll just run. Sorry. What's wrong with this rollback SP1? Let me check. Okay, it's not just roll back, it should be roll back to save point. And you have to mention a save point name, sorry. Okay, so it should be roll back to save point, and you have to mention that particular save point. So I'm just saying save point SP1. Okay, so what I'm saying, so deleting Rahul should be permanent and deleting Amit should be temporary. So now I'm just rolling back whatever changes I did after a save point SP1. Now let me show you select asterisk from students. See, everything that I did, every changes that I did related to save point got restored. If you want to restore even things related to a Rahul, you can just call rollback again. So it will roll it back. Now if you go and check select asterisk from student, even before a transaction, whatever changes you did, you got rolled back. If you don't want to roll it back, you can just commit it. I'll do it again. I'm beginning the transaction. Great. I'm deleting record related to Rahul. I'm creating a save point and I'm deleting record related to Amit. And then I'm rolling back to a save point one so that Amit record will get restored. So now I'll just make it commit. I want to restore only Amit record and Rahul record should get deleted. Okay. So commit is done. Once committed, even if you try to roll it back, it's not going to work. Even if I call a rollback, it will not work. Okay, this is how save points are helpful. You can create a multiple save points and you can restore things which you don't want to which you don't want to delete or update, which you don't want to change. Hope it's clear. Thank you. Happy learning.